Hello everyone! Today, I'll guide you through the process of finding saved password on your iPhone. This can be useful for passwords saved in Safari or other apps. Take note that this method requires you to be the rightful owner of the device as you'll need Face ID or the password unlock option to access the saved password. Step 1. Accessing password through settings. Open your settings app and scroll down until you see the passwords option. Click on it. Authenticate using Face ID or enter your passcode. After unlocking, you'll see a list of saved password. Step 2. Using iCloud Keychain. Still in Settings, click on iCloud. Scroll down to find Keychain. If Keychain is turned on, it means password from all other Apple devices that had iCloud Keychain enabled are synced and can be accessed here. In conclusion, that's how you can easily find your saved passwords on your iPhone. Whether you save them on the current device or pass one with iCloud Keychain, accessing them is straightforward. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Drop any question in the comments and we'll do our best to assist you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.